Hi everybody and welcome. Today's video is going to focus on composite functions. So if you're having a hard time with questions like, let's say number 3, this is going to be something that will help you out with that. So basically what happens here is if you have two functions and they do something like this, they say g of f of whatever the term might be. So we'll just leave it as for now. I don't know, let's try something like 2. What this is actually telling you, this g of f, is that we are going to be plugging in to our function. So whatever's first, you keep that as the framework. So if we have g of x, we're going to keep g of x as the framework. And inside of g, we are going to take f of x and put it in there. So g of f of x is actually just saying anywhere that you see an x, instead of replacing it with a number, we are going to be putting in an entirely different function. So instead of just a number, again, an entirely different function here. So taking a look through what that means in this case is when we're plugging in to x cubed plus x, in place of x, we're putting in f of x, and in place of x, again, putting in f of x. So 2x plus 3 would go here, and then again, 2x plus 3 would also go there. So g of f of x, again, x goes away, all of f of x goes in its place. In the question above, we've just dealt with this part. The second part is they've taken the x and they've said, let's put in a 2. So everywhere that you see an x, we can go ahead and replace it with a 2. And once we get to this step, all the variables are gone. We're just left with numbers. So g of f of 2 would just be, do the inside of the parentheses first. So 2 times 2 is 4. Same thing here, 2 times 2 is 4. Keep going. 4 plus 3 is 7. And then the last step here is we'd have to do 7 to the third power. And then we'd finish up with 350, adding those two together. So final answer here, g of f of 2 is 350. So to recap, replace x with the entire function f of x, and then when you're done, replace all of your x's with a number, and you'll be good to go. As always, thanks for watching. Hope this helps.